Welcome back. Just chilly days and back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about crypto. We also talk about financial leadership from time to time. If you're new, please click my subscribe button and click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. Well, it's another great day in the stock market where stocks like Tesla, SoFi, CoreWeave, and Advanced Market Devices all rally. Tesla was up 6.85%. SoundHound shares were up as much as 16%. CoreWeave was up 21% on the day. Now, tomorrow, Nvidia is set to do earnings. And if Nvidia has a good earnings call, that would be a good sign for CoreWeave because they are the servers and the wiring for all the Nvidia data centers. So it will be a great day. If you see that they're up 21% right now, they'll probably be up another 5% if Nvidia blows it out on earnings and talks about a good forecast for growth in the future. So CoreWeave today was up 21%. If you saw my last two videos, you know I covered CoreWeave and it's continued to run. All right. Also backing CoreWeave is Cisco. Cisco shares were up as much as 1% on the day. And I just went through. It says here Cisco is reportedly investing in AI infrastructure company CoreWeave, potentially valuing the company at $23 billion. Okay. So not only is Cisco investing in CoreWeave, also Nvidia is a big investor in CoreWeave. Okay. So these are two mega tech companies involving themselves with a new startup, CoreWeave, which just went IPO in April. All right, so let's go over to the news and see where we're at there. It was a good day in the stock market again. A lot of it was the Dow was up 1.78%. The Nasdaq shares were up as 2.47. So the tech stocks did rally. Okay. And like I said in the news, all eyes is on Nvidia tomorrow. Okay, earnings report is early tomorrow, but we're still battling with the restrictions of China going into Nvidia. So that may be a pause on potential revenue for the future. Okay, so because Nvidia, they just can't sell it to the Chinese, right? So we have to look at, will the more powerful chips be enough to still give Nvidia a good earnings forecast going into the next 3 months. Okay. So right now we have currently the mega caps backing Nvidia. We got Google, Meta, all the big techs using their capex to support Nvidia. But if Nvidia can show that they can get as much as revenue or more in the next 3 months, the stock can run higher. All right. So we're going to find out from Jensen Huang tomorrow whether he has the power and whether it's in the cards as far as pending orders if Nvidia can rocket higher and continue this growth they've been having for the last year. Okay. So lastly, we'll take a look at my Schwab account and we'll look at what was the top stock. Let's see. It's a different view. Day change. Okay. Top stock again today was Tesla. Tesla was up 6.85% for a gain of $1,100. Second place was SoFi. SoFi shares was up as much as 2.29%. But in a third place was SoundHound. SoundHound shares continued to gain momentum, up 16%. Okay. Now, second to that was CoreWeave. CoreWeave was up as much as 21%, a gain of $42. Now, considering if this was a pretty decent size, at least $1,000, this would have been a gain, a pretty much gain of $200. Okay. So I still need to continue to work on the CoreWeave position, but I am still up 29% in my CoreWeave position. But like I said, tomorrow this stock could rocket higher. All right. So again, we're all waiting on the Nvidia earnings call. They were up as much as 3.2%. And more than likely, Nvidia is going to have the earnings call after the day. They're going to probably have it after closing. So it'll probably be after 3 or 4 o'clock. But again, Nvidia shares can go higher on the earnings call if they get the beat on the earnings expectation and the forecast going into the future. Okay. All right. So the top stock today was Tesla, up 6.85% in my portfolio, but there were some good second places such as SoundHound shares were up as much as 16%. Also, 21% was CoreWeave. Okay. Remember, CoreWeave has been the hottest stock over the last month. If we look at the month, CoreWeave is up over 194%. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Good luck with Nvidia too.